MidJourney isn't just for cool art on Discord. It's a legit workplace tool if you apply it with purpose. Here's how it can boost productivity and creativity across different roles. 1. Brainstorming and concept development. Visualize ideas fast. Instead of describing a vague concept in words, generate images to make it concrete. Product mock-ups. Create early-stage concepts for packaging, app interfaces, or physical products without waiting on a designer. Marketing campaigns. Generate mood boards or theme directions for ad visuals, photo shoots, or brand refreshes. 2. Design and content creation marketing visuals. Generate unique, eye-catching backgrounds, social post art, or ad concepts. Presentation slides. Use MidJourney for custom illustrations or imagery to stand out in client decks. Event branding. Quickly produce theme visuals for events, conferences, or internal culture campaigns. 3. Prototyping and innovation. Product design. Get variations of physical product ideas, shoes, packaging, tech, gadgets, to test aesthetics before committing to expensive prototypes. UI inspiration. Prompt different styles of dashboard or mobile app layouts to inspire your design team. Architecture and space planning. Generate mood concepts for office layouts, retail stores, or exhibition booths. 4. Internal communication and training storytelling. Use visuals to explain strategies, workflows, or vision documents. Training material. Replace boring stock photos with engaging custom imagery. Onboarding guides. Make content more engaging with illustrations tailored to your company's culture. 5. Culture and engagement team building. Run a prompt challenge. Everyone creates a visual based on a theme. Company swag. Generate design ideas for t-shirts, mugs, or merch. Celebrations. Custom art for work anniversaries, milestones, or holidays. 6. Speed plus cost savings. Cuts down on endless stock photo searches. Reduces dependence on outsourced design for early concepts. Gives non-designers the ability to speak visually and pitch ideas more effectively. Pro tip: don't use MidJourney as the final design tool. Use it as a creative accelerator. The best workflow is generate fast ideas in MidJourney. Pick the strongest ones. Hand them off to designers for refinement in Canva, Photoshop, Figma, or Illustrator.